Hey, what's up guys, it's Francie here. Thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are looking for information on the LOC and LCO method, then you are in the right place. Just before I start this video, I want to let you guys know that I teamed up with 4 other influencers on Instagram and we are doing a giveaway. 2 lucky winners can win 125 euros each. The details for the giveaway will be down in the description box below, so you have to go on my Instagram to see the details for that giveaway. Alrighty guys, let's get into this video. So, what is LOC? Well, we can thank Rochelle Alake Graham Campbell of Alake Naturals for crediting herself for coining the term and also trade marketing it. So the acronym for LOC is basically the order of product application applied to the hair. It's hydrating the hair with water or water-based product, and this would be your liquid. Then you seal the moisture with oil, which will be your O, and then applying a cream product to close the hair cuticles, which prevent moisture loss. These methods are designed in locking moisture due to its layering process. Like I said earlier, L stands for liquid, and the best liquid out there would be water. You can also use water-based products, but you can never go wrong with water. So now that you have added the liquid to your hair, the next step is trying to conceal it, trying to retain that moisture that you put into your hair, and that is where the 2 other steps of the LOC method comes in. Next, we have O for oil. Oil helps the hair hold on to water molecules. After you add your water, you added your moisture, now you add your oil to hold on to those water molecules that you have in the hair. Certain natural oils have the ability to penetrate the hair shaft and bind with the hair's internal structure or protein. So having saying that, yes, you can use all natural oils out there, but there are certain specific natural oils out there that is best to use when you want to do the LOC method, which is binding, sealing, locking the moisture in your hair. And one thing you do have to remember is that oils will not add moisture to your hair, but penetrating oils function as moisturizers in the sense that they aid the hair in maintaining or retaining moisture from water. Now on to the C, which is cream. So the cream locks in all that moisture. When it comes to the cream, conditioning creams and styling creams are okay, but you need to make sure that they are moisturizing creams. That is the key. Your cream should seal the hair cuticle or act as a sealant. So if we do a little small recap, the L, liquid. After you add your liquid, like I said, water or water products, base products, then you add your oil to hold on to the molecules, the water molecules, then you add your cream to seal everything in and keep that moisture locked in your hair, which is what we all want when we're trying to grow our hair, retain length, get our hair stronger and keep it moisturized. Sometimes you may be trying the LOC method and you haven't really seen a change and nothing really has been working. I wrote down 3 things that you can do if the LOC method is not working. The first thing you can do is switch it up. So that's where the LCO comes in, and it's the same products, same liquid, cream and oil. It's just you're changing the flow. So instead of it being the liquid, oil and cream, you're gonna do liquid, cream and oil. Also, sometimes if after doing the LOC your hair is still a bit dry, it may be that you have product buildup. So this means you just need to shampoo your hair, give your hair a nice wash with a clarifying shampoo. If you're using any oils that are not penetrating oils for the LOC method, it's best you do the LCO method. So you do the liquid, cream and then oil. After all this information, the question still remains, what products should I use? For the liquid, like I said, you can use water, which I honestly would advise. You can get like a spray, a bottle, and put some water in it and spray your hair. You can also use some of these liquid water-based products that I have up on the screen. Those are also fine, but it's up to you if you want to buy water-based products or just use water. Products for your O, which is your oil. So the best oils to use when you're doing the LOC are coconut, olive, and avocado oil. Those three oils are best to use because they can actually enter the hair shaft, and this is regardless of your hair texture or type. These three oils are a great starting point for your hair. Sometimes you may need oil that is a bit lighter or heavier. You can use light oils like jojoba, peppermint, and almond oils. Those are for like finer textures, and heavy oils are considered to be castor, coconut, and olive. Now, products for our cream. Creamy products can be a daily moisturizer, styling cream, natural sealant, or a leave-in conditioner. You can decide based on your hair and what works best, and what's best for your needs, what kind of cream that you want to do. Just another tip, if you can find creams with castor oil, grapeseed, jojoba oil, those are great creams because these oils act already as a sealant. So it would be like an extra, like a bonus if you find creams with those type of oils in them. I'm going to be posting a next video maybe next week or the week after, which is gonna be episode 2 in my hair care series. This is actually episode 1 in my hair care series, which was LOC, and next week I'm gonna be doing, or week after, I will be doing episode 2, which will be porosity for natural and relaxed hair, sisters. Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking it out with me. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informational for you. If I said something that was wrong or maybe was a mistake, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any questions about hair or any tips or anything at all, please don't hesitate to drop it down below. And don't forget guys, go on my Instagram for that giveaway. 2 people can win 125 euros each. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.